So we took the Pioneer deep literally all day long at Holopaw. It's still flooded from an actual hurricane, so it's very deep. Definitely proved this thing out. Very watertight, and it never got stuck on 27 stockies. So really blew my mind. I was super impressed. Big Honda day out there. Nothing else really can survive these conditions.
Side-by-side hop like that.
It's a feature.
This place doesn't have that hop.
I mean, it's just, you gotta know how to drive.
Whoa!
Get ready to pull me out.
You need a higher snorkel.
Well, I'm gonna ride that edge.
You need a higher snorkel. You're gonna need a higher snorkel. I got the weight.
Nah, we're good. We're good. We're good.
Ooh. Whoa, you for some lizard, dude. Where you going? Where you going?
Lean, boys, lean.
I'm leaning on. Look how long my body weight on it.
Hell yeah, there we go. Ah, Greg's stuck. Oh, look at it leaning over. It's doing it. Wow, that's a rut.
Oh yeah. There we go. Hello.
That's a serious fucking rut. Put it in reverse. Nice. Damn. It's a lot shallower where I'm at.
Yeah.
The hole's right there now. I thought the hole was right here.
Yeah.
Stupid. What's helping is they're pushing water, and like, you know, it's all kind of current.
We're in the slipstream.
I'm pushing you.
So what, this tire's the only one spinning right now?
Well, they're both spinning, but if one has less pressure on it, all the power will go to the other one. It's like your F-150 or whatever.
Yeah.
Look at the water dump in there.
Hour, folks.
They're waterproof.
It's mine.
I mean, mine is.
Oh no!
What?
Oh no! Back up, maybe reverse.
I need a snorkel.
Yeah. It's a little nippy.
It feels good. You still dry? You don't get water in your waders yet? It's coming. Any minute now. Oh! Did it stall?
Yeah, it'll start though.
Yeah, it'll start though. Okay. No shit.
I have the 3 most important things. Well, the phone's not very important anymore.
It's so tiny little camera. It's kind of awesome.
Yeah.
Right. They don't want to be weird. Game of Thrones doesn't want to be weird.
They're not very powerful. Even like a...
Oh, dear! Oh, that's a good shot. Ready?
You got him? He's moving, he's moving. Look at the waves. Give some gas. Turn left, turn left. There you go. Turn into it. Uh-oh. Whoa.
So I took the Pioneer to Holopie yesterday. It was its first really hard ride, going really deep all day long. Snorkel dipped under a few times, was very close to going under a lot of other times, and it did really well. So what did we learn? Well, I checked the sub-transmission, the engine oil, both diffs. Everything is very crystal clear, so the seals are good and my snorkel job is good. Also, the screen doesn't have water in it, and it was underwater for a long time. So this 2022 Pioneer screen seems to be better than the Talons. Also, it idles underwater like a champ, never shut off once, and it went everywhere. We never got stuck. We did pretty much the whole property, including mud flats. The only thing we didn't do really was the gator loop. We did everything else, and it did really well. Very comfortable. Had 3 people in here for a little while. It's nice because it's easy to get in and out of this thing. Really like it. Suspension improvements are needed for high-speed holopie riding, but for low-speed, medium-speed stuff, suspension is very adequate. Super happy with it so far.